Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know where you are. Today what we're doing is programming the garage door opener on a 2014 Tundra to a LiftMaster Chamberlain garage door 3.1. It's pretty simple to do. So what you need to do is hold down your garage door button in the truck. You see the light start to blink. It goes solid. Then you press on the fob for the garage door and you hold both of them. Should be around 5 seconds and the light should start to blink a different pattern. And as you can see now, it's blinking faster. That means that it's connected. So as you can see, the garage door is coming up right now. So let's see, will it go back down? And it worked. So there we are. Very simple to do. If you have any questions about it, give me a comment in the comment section and give me a thumbs up. All right, have a great day.